Hi guys, today I will do the teardown of a Sony camera head. So as you can see, it is made of two parts. There is this shoulder part here, but they are attached. There are two screws here obviously, but there are other ones hidden in there. On each side you have one cover, microphone here, and the here. So let me undo some screws, and I am right back. So here at the bottom I did remove, I'm sure you will see easily, the hot shoe adapter, the tripod adapter more exactly, and you can see the wirings of the buttons, and there are two screws down there, but I need to remove the connectors first. This access panel here is for accessing the plugs, it seems. So here I did unscrew the cover. It seems it is a die cast magnesium, not sure, looks like. So we have a big PCB with, guess what, a genuine copper screw. It is not every day you see this. And in fact it will be very easy to remove. There are two connectors here, and it comes right off. So this is the first PCB, number 8059. Very nice part, by the way. Next we have two plug-in modules here, and here you can see the shielded box for the CCD assembly. So I have already one connector removed from the bottom, it's good. Now I will try to pull out these modules. Okay, it is quite easy. You can see a big high quality delay line probably on the hybrid circuits here, coated in black for secrecy of the stuff inside probably. Then a second module here. Quite nice, lots of small chips. Then you can see all at the bottom the motherboard. So I guess I need to open the other side now. Okay, the other side, same die cast thing. So you can see there is a big shaded box and lots of plugs. That should allow me to undo later the bottom part. Here we are, more of them ready. It is this one's go over to the CCD head. This one is for microphone. Okay. So it is just a matter of removing 4 little screws, and I think we will have a big hole now. This one seems stuck. It does not comes up. Okay. So here we are, the motherboard. Then you can see the nice box for the CCD assembly. So I will be ready. Here is the camera head. It comes very easily. We will have a look at it later. I can see big golden legs for the CCDs. Very nice shaded box here. Very nice front part. Maybe in fact it is a keeper. Not sure yet. This part is in good aesthetic condition, so it may be a keeper as is. Maybe. Okay. Then you can see now it is mostly empty, just a metal frame, microphone in here. So we will finish with removing this part. Yeah, I did already remove the two other screws. There are two big screws left here. One, and it should, yes, it is coming. Other one, and here we are. You can see the empty frame here. Some more screws to get from here, obviously. Always good. And it is the same kind of metal. And here is the bottom of the thing. Just buttons, as you can see. So this is nice. This venting grid is held in place with a screw, so it is I can reuse and take it easily. It is not glued. Here we have two big screws and just plugs and buttons. So here we have for this caps here. If I can get them, they're interesting because I can reuse them for other cameras, but this one is not good. Anyway, I will try to get the other one quickly. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye bye. And the next part I will do, I don't know, probably the mechanical drive for the tape deck. Thanks for watching.